Static testing is a type of testing in which code is not executed, but the validation is done either manually or with a set of tools. In this type of testing, all the documents that are created during software development lifecycle is validated. The documents include requirements document, low-level design document, high-level design document, architecture diagram, solution design document, test plan, test scenarios, test cases, and the deployment document. All of these documents are validated in static testing. The primary objective of static testing is to improve the quality of the software products by assisting engineers to recognize and fix their own defects early in the development lifecycle. Since static testing can start early in the software development lifecycle, there are chances of defects getting detected early, which in turn would help reduce the rework cost. This in turn also is likely to increase the development productivity. Let's now try to understand what a review is all about. When a work product is examined for defects by individuals other than the person who produced it or authored it, then it is referred to as a review. Review is of two types: formal review and informal review. Formal review follows a well-structured process. On the other hand, informal reviews do not follow any process as such. Reviews are done to examine the document for any defects. Walkthroughs. Walkthroughs are generally initiated or convened by the author of the document. The author of the specific document guides the participants through his or her document to achieve a common understanding and to gather feedback. It is an informal process where the author gathers all of the suggestions or feedbacks and updates the document accordingly. Inspection. In an inspection, a work product is selected for review and a team is gathered for an inspection meeting to review the work product. The goal of the inspection is to identify the defects. It is generally performed by trained people. It is done to identify the defects at earlier stages.